Hi, my sunshiny friends. This is Sunshine Annie, working on my DIY composition book planner. This was what ended last week's plan. I think you saw this one last. I took a week off just to kind of rest and enjoy my family over the 4th of July and do that kind of planning. So this was my citrus page for June and the end of June starting to July, and then this is my July page, start page, with the calendar, July calendar page, I guess is what I want to call it. I put in some, I actually used the Tim Holtz stencil just to help me with some of the little honeycomb, and then I made some big ones freehand, and then all the flowers and things, the citrus, are all freehand. So this is the July calendar page, and then for this week, this is the page, and I've already written in my goals for, just making healthy choices, drink plenty of water, try to be more active, keep a healthy mindset, focusing on art and nature. And those are just my normal goals that I try to look at for myself. Yeah, so I've been trying to spend some time in my art space. I haven't done anything other than try to catch up on the Wanderlust. And I think these are the things, well, you've seen that one, I think I've shown. This was the next page that they had us do. And then we did this one, which I'm trying to think of what the purpose was, using writing and showing, like how different ways to use writing. She was using writing on a stencil that had writing on it for, sorry, I hit that, to do jelly print. So there's a bunch of jelly printing on here that I hadn't ever done before. So that was kind of fun. And then this one was not, this one, she kind of goes with nature stuff. And so I did that. These are actually tea bags that I use spray the Tim Holtz sprays. What are they called? They are the distressed oxides. And I used a bunch of different colors on those to make that. This one, she did lists, and she used stickers and things, so I just used stickers and some of these, some washi tape, stickers, washi tape, and did lists of like my garden plants. And I think that was it for this that I've done here. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, what I've been looking at. I'm trying to catch up on my Wanderlust stuff because I'm behind. I can't seem to get into it. So I hope you had a wonderful holiday. If you are from the States and watching this, I hope you had a good 4th of July. And I hope you have a great next week. Tune in to see what this next page is going to look like. I'm thinking I'm going to try to carry the theme. I will do a brief show of this, but I will probably show other things that I'm working on as well, just to keep you up to date on what I'm doing. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great week and take care.